Hi everyone, let's make some lemon bars. This recipe makes 12 bars. It's so simple and it comes together so quickly. So in a food processor, you're going to need 2 cups and 2 tablespoons of flour, half a cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. You're just going to blend that or pulse that in the food processor once, just to make sure that all the ingredients are well combined. Now we will add 1 cup of melted butter, which is around 230 grams, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Just mix that enough to combine. Over-processing will lead to a tough crust, not that buttery melt-in-the-mouth texture we're looking for. Press the crust into a 9 by 13 inch pan. I added parchment paper underneath to make it easier to remove the base after baking. Press down the crust and make it level with a spatula. Don't forget to prick the base with a fork. The reason we do this is to stop the base from rising in the oven. Bake the base at 170 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. Guys, please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment if you have the time. We'd love to hear from you. So now we're going to whisk 6 eggs. You just want to whisk them enough to combine them. Don't overbeat them. Then to that you're going to add 6 tablespoons of flour, 2 cups of sugar, and 1 cup of lemon juice. Pour the lemon filling over the warm base. The base has to be warm, otherwise the filling and the base don't meld together and the lemon filling will fall off after slicing. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 26 to 27 minutes. You'll know when it's done when the filling is no longer jiggly, but it's just set. Cool the bars for 2 hours in the refrigerator, then cut into 12 squares. Dust with icing sugar and serve cold. Thank you for watching everyone. I hope you like this recipe. Give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to share it with your friends so that they too can make perfect lemon bars. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!